TV channels were blaring news about the attack of Chinese on Indian soldiers. Feelings boiled inside every Indian. The soldiers out there are giving their sweat and blood to defend the frontiers of our motherland. So, rummaging through the poems I had been writing, I found one which may be a small tribute to our brave hearts, the immortals of Bharat.
Many are born, many will die. Few are those who make the nation cry. Born we are and live we as mere mortals, but how many those who would be counted as immortals? By death, how many make the country proud? Brave were they who happily embraced the tricolour shroud. Love we life and fear we death. Great are they who willingly chose the bullet-laden wreath. Donned they the uniform which is greater than all fashion. Fighting the enemy day and night was their only passion. Brave are their parents and praised be those men who laid their lives to protect dear countrymen. Blazing past the enemy and surviving the glaciers, staying away from families, they defended the frontiers. Immortals are those sons of motherland, combating terror who wore death as a garland. In face of calamity, they fought like a true warrior. Seeing the morning, they would have remarked as a soldier. Tried we have always to serve without any fuss. So if anything you ever wish to gift us, for the martyrdom and death we have won, cry not like cowards when we are gone. Be proud that I was one of thy countless brethren. Hope I was a good son on earth and would be so in heaven. Pulwama, Handwara, Galwan and all have risen the heroes always to the call. With exemplary courage have they valiantly led. Short they were, but the country bled. Remembered will you be in our fond memories. Inspired would be millions by your countless stories. Patriotism yours stands out like stars glittering. It's breaths of brave hearts that keeps the tricolour fluttering. Many are born, many will die. Few are those who make the nation cry. Born we are and live we as mortals, but by actions on earth they became immortals. They became immortals. Dedicated to all the immortals of our motherland.
No one deserves the title of a hero more than a soldier. Soldiers are the unsung heroes of our country, and we salute their valor and sacrifices. Patriotism can be expressed by hollow, empty words, but need to be justified with actions. As the brave soldiers attained Veer Gati out there on the battlefield, they thought only about their motherland. They cared not for their lives, but ensured that the frontiers remained secure. They were outnumbered and were attacked in a cowardly manner, but still they fought bravely and gave a fight. We sleep peacefully in our homes only because we know that our boundaries are kept safe by the men in uniform. But is it all? Aren't we answerable to our country and those immortal brave hearts? We are, and we ought to claim responsibility. We are unfortunate to have such backstabbing neighbors who never fail to put humanity to shame. And we, as citizens of India, have played a role in boosting their nefarious activities. We are the ones who buy Chinese products and use Chinese app and bolster their economy, which they use to manufacture weapons and attack us. Swadeshi is not a new concept. It was used by renowned Bal Gangadhar Tilak and others as a tool to fight British monopoly and tyranny. Let's use it again and harm the Chinese economy to whichever extent we can. The recent move by the government to ban 59 of the apps owned by Chinese firms comes as a welcome move in the positive direction. It's high time that we take a pledge for our brave soldiers and our motherland. We have enough resources to start manufacturing goods on our own and boycott Chinese goods all and forever. Let's ensure that if they have the audacity to attack us, despite us being their biggest market, then we too can boycott them and condemn them to impoverishment.
This Independence Day, let's pledge to make India truly independent and self-reliant in every sector. Now, to all those who are watching this video, I would request them to rise and pay homage to the soldiers and sing the national anthem along with us.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
It's a fight where we all need to be united and take a stand. So let's go Swadeshi. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.